Hey, it's me, driving toward my destiny.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Naya, and I am on here super impromptu, y'all. I didn't prepare nothing. I went to Dollar Tree for two things. Two things, and came back with a small haul. So, you know, because they got some cute stuff, and I feel like with the holidays coming and stuff, it's gonna sell out really quick, and they're already putting Christmas and Valentine's stuff in, and we gonna miss it. It's still some things that I was looking for that they didn't have, but I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna fill y'all in when they do have it. But I went in for beauty. I went in for beauty and organization stuff. So here's one bag here, and then hang on, here's another bag up and through here. So went in for two things, and here we go again. But y'all, some of the stuff I found was dope. So okay, here we go. You know what? Now that I think about it, wait, have you subscribed yet? Because you need to. If you want like relatable content, you know what I'm saying, like hauls that don't have you bankrupt, you know what I'm saying? You go in there for two things and you come out with like 15, you know, like realistic stuff. But then you realize, oh, I can use that. Oh, like that. That's over here. That's over here. So you need to go ahead and just join the fam. Quit playing. I'll give you like a quick second. We don't want to make the intro too long. So come on. First thing, bam! Do you see this? Do you see this? Is it focus on me? Hold on. Baby, can you focus on me? It's not focusing. Hang on, y'all. All right. So first thing I got that I didn't go for. This was not on the list at all. Like, at all. Bow. What's this? What that say? Oh, it's probably backwards. Beauty spatulas. Use every drop. Y'all, look. You know how we hate when we get to the bottom of a bottle? Like, wait a minute. Do I have anything? I don't have anything. I do. Where is it? Like, even, okay. Hold up. Cause y'all ain't finna. Like, okay, this. Okay. So let's say we get down to here, right? You know, just that little gap, right? Oh, okay. Right by where the little dough foot thing just won't reach. You mean to tell me they got a spatula for me to get up in there and get every drop? What? Stop playing. They had other colors, but this is the one that stood out to me the most. $1.25. What? Okay. All right. I didn't go for that though. I didn't. So let me just show you. Bow. Allergy sinuses. Anybody use a neti pot? Okay. Funny story. I can't use a neti pot. I understand the benefits, and when I was able to kind of get it to work, it did do its thing. Like, don't get me wrong. But something in my mind makes me feel like I'm drowning. Like, so I was like, maybe, since my allergies are so terrible, maybe this will work. Because it's just a bottle, right? You put the water in, you just squeeze the bottle, and boom, supposed to push the out the other side. So I was like, okay, bow. And I love this brand. I really do. I really love this brand. $1.25 for this. Okay. Now, we still at the $1.25 tree, y'all. Okay, so. And then, what did I get to go with it? I think I got. Oh, goodness. Okay, it's just going to be It's gonna come up at another time. So I think I did. Bow. Look at this. Look at it's got like a little grippy, little silicone grippy thing on it. So if you get out the shower and you got the trim your little toenails, your fingers, you got your baby oil and your shea butter and stuff all on there, on your hands, this little thing is grippy. So it won't slide. I love it. And they had a bunch of colors, but this is my favorite. Bam. Look. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. This is crazy because I need my nails done now. I haven't really been feeling well, y'all, so that's why the videos slowed down and why my nails look a mess, and you know, I just got my hair in a ponytail, etc., etc. But anyway, I love nails. I love getting my nails done. I love designs. I'm not afraid of color. And I had some nails that looked kind of like this, like like a year ago. So I was really, really pleasantly surprised to find these in the Dollar Tree. And also they have like a little section over here right where my finger is, where you can put your finger underneath it to see how it will fit. And if you have long nail beds like I do, this is crucial. So I was able to see that these will fit me. $1.25. And how many? 24 nails come in here. So check that out. All right, if y'all know me, y'all know I love me some Ioni. I came across them on accident and I have been looking for them ever since. Every time I go in Dollar Tree, I need to see what's new with Ioni. Bam. They have these lip oils, y'all. Hold on. Focus on me. Okay. And I got 2 of them. They had more, but like I said, we're realistic with it, right? And I knew that the other colors I was never going to use. So I only got these 2. But this is Sweet Honey and Pink Doll. They have like a warm rose, which is cute. I'm going to try both of these first and see if I like them. Like if they complement my skin tone. If they do, I might try the warm rose. But these are tinted lip oil. So formulated to be lightweight with high shine. You can even use these as a nighttime lip mask, it says on the back. But I love these, y'all. Can't wait to try them. Bam. Ioni liquid blush, y'all. So the names are weird with the, oh no, this is the warm rose. Okay, I'm sorry. So this is warm rose, warm rose, and this is rosette. Now, this don't look nothing like no rose, but okay. I am very into like the orangey, like corally, browny, kind of the colors of autumn, but I like to play with them like my everyday makeup because it goes with my skin tone. And it's just like, it's like an everyday no makeup look kind of thing. So I'm really excited to try these. I will do another video swatching them, and I might even do another video using them, but for now I just wanted to show y'all this haul. Y'all, these are so cute. I think I mentioned in my last video how much I love coffee. So when I saw these, y'all, I squeed. I really did. I squeed in that aisle. Y'all, look at these. Look at here. Look at here. What? They are makeup sponges with coffee cup shaped holders. What? Wait, hold on. Let me see. Let me get one open because this, oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute. Okay. It's decent. It's not hard. It's not overly soft. It's nice. Like once I wash this to like sanitize it, and once you put the water on it, like, you know, so you have the damp situation, this is going to be good. And I like that it's flat on this end too. let's put that down. But let's look at the holder, because that's the bomb. Look. Focus on me. Baby, can you focus? Okay, here we go. Look. It's even got the little. Ooh. This is so cute. Bloop. Bloop. How cute is that? So this one is the brown one. It's got the flat end on it, and the other one is, so I guess that's mochaccino, and this is chai latte. Hang on. And this one is like the traditional tear shaped with the come on. Focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Here we go. And look at this little cup. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. Oh, I love these. And like I said, I love they have little air vents, because after you wash them and sanitize them, you can probably pop them back in here and they won't, you know, mold and mildew. Because did y'all know that your beauty sponges can hold mold and mildew if you're not careful, if you're not washing them and drying them regularly? Yeah, no. Can't have nothing. This is for my sunshine. He needs to take his vitamins every day, and it's easy for him to see the dates and stuff, the days of the week. Now, if y'all didn't know, my sunshine has autism, so we try to make things as simple as possible while giving, you know, letting him be as independent as possible, because, you know, that's the goal. So bow, this is for him, and it's just enough to hold his daily like multivitamins and stuff. So I'm missing something. I'm 100% know that I'm missing something. And actually, y'all, I'm gonna show you another haul where I got myself a pillowcase that has like a mirror in it. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna show y'all that in another haul, because I got that at another store. But so we're kind of done with the beauty section, I think. I thought I had more than this, and I probably do, but this I didn't go for this. Hang on, let me let it focus. Yeah, I ain't go for this. Not at all. Nope, I sure didn't. Nope, I ain't going on. I don't even know how I got in this aisle, to tell you the truth. It's not even near the beauty or organization section in my store, or in the store that I love. So yeah. And then bow, got two, because I mean, if you gonna get sucked in, then go ahead and don't get sucked in with your half ass. Go ahead with both cheeks and get sucked in. So yeah. Okay, didn't go for that. Batteries, because I mean, these actually need I don't even know why I got these. I don't need them. Yeah, okay, y'all, so that's it. That's all for my beauty stuff. Like, I've been surprised my damn self. I mean, I knew I didn't go crazy and stuff, but okay, I did better than I thought. So now let's go to organization. So what we were doing is, you know how everybody's getting them $800 glass jars for their like laundry detergent pods and the little smell good crystal things. So I decided, hey, let's try these joints right here. Hold on. These. Because, you know, they do, I do hit Costco up and get the larger bags, but for the most time, like the kind you get and Walmart or Walgreens are the smaller ones, like 20, 30 pods, right? Here you go. Here you go. Put your pods or your little smell goods in there with a little scoop that you can also get from Dollar Tree. I have some, so I didn't get any. And put it on your laundry rack or in your laundry room and have at it. It's small enough to where it's easy to even clean and maintain, and easy for little smaller hands to manipulate and work. So, and it's not heavy, you know, it's really decent quality. But so I got 2 of those. I have one that I'm using already, and it works so well that I was just like, you know what, I could put some other stuff in there, because I only am using one right now for the our Oxy powder, and I was using that one for the pods, but then I was like, okay, let me just go get some more, because the Oxy powder bucket, it's like a fort to get in there. I'm like, okay, I know they're trying to say to keep the kids safe, but what about me? I be tired, and I can't squeeze, twist, pull, lift all that at the same time. I'm just trying to wash these clothes. It's funky because my child then hid him in his hamper for 3 days, and the fumes is yeah. Okay, so y'all, that is all for my Dollar Tree haul this time. I still feel like I'm gonna go in my car and there's gonna be 2 bags in the trunk. Like, you left this. This doesn't feel like everything I got, but if it is, good job me. But yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of everything and pop it up here probably. And if I don't, it's because I got busy doing something else, and yeah. So thanks y'all so much for watching, and I sure appreciate the love I got on my last couple of few videos. And too, a lot of y'all been around for years, and y'all have been rolling with me being inconsistent, and I just had to figure it out, like what works for me. I was getting all types of different types of professional advice, and it just was not working for my life. And I was trying to pump out videos that were not true to my personality, not true to my lifestyle, at a rate that I could not maintain. And that is what caused the inconsistency and the big old gaps between posting. But if y'all will continue, to rock with my realistic hauls and my day in the life vlogs, and if y'all will continue to rock with all the pieces of me, I will keep on posting these videos. I hope you found something helpful. If you saw something that you used, let me know. Like, let me know how it works for you, and we can help each other out. Because if it ain't working, we need to know. We can save each other some coin, because I'm telling you what, they need to change Dollar Tree from a Dollar Tree to a few Dollar Tree, because the price is steadily going up. So we can help each other save some coin. Let's do that. So thanks again, y'all. Much love to y'all. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. 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 Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.